If you're working hard but still struggling financially, this video may challenge everything you've been told. The difference between the rich and the poor isn't luck or intelligence, it's daily habits. Today, we'll break down 10 things the rich do that the poor don't, and exactly why these habits keep many people broke. The wealthy pay themselves first. This is one of the most fundamental habits that sets them apart from everyone else. Instead of waiting to see what's left over at the end of the month, they make saving and investing their top priority, right from the moment they receive their income. What does this actually mean? Before they pay a single bill, buy groceries, or spend on entertainment, they immediately move a set percentage of their earnings into savings or investment accounts. This could be 5%, 10%, or even more, depending on their goals. The key is that this money is set aside first, not last. Most people do the opposite. They pay all their expenses first and only save whatever's left at the end of the month. But let's be honest, for most, that amount is usually nothing or very little. That's why so many struggle to build wealth, even if they earn a decent income. The rich don't leave this to chance. They automate the process, treating their savings like a non-negotiable bill that must be paid every month, no matter what. This removes the temptation to spend what should be saved. Even if you start small, say just 5% of your income, it's a powerful step. Over time, you can increase this percentage as your income grows or your expenses decrease. The real secret is consistency. By making this a regular habit, your savings and investments will grow steadily, compounding over time and building real, lasting wealth. It's not about how much you start with, but about sticking with it month after month, year after year. To make this easy, set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account on the exact day you get paid. This way, you never even see the money in your spending account, and you're less likely to miss it. Remember, paying yourself first is about prioritizing your future self over your present wants. Every dollar you save today is a step closer to financial freedom and achieving your biggest goals. Start now, and your future self will thank you. Wealthy people know exactly where their money goes. They track every expense, spot waste, and adjust quickly. Most people guess and hope for the best. Money just disappears. For 1 month, write down every expense. Use an app or a notebook, but get the data. Once you see where your money's going, you can make smarter choices. Control starts with awareness. The rich know saving alone won't make you wealthy. Investing is essential. Money in a savings account loses value to inflation. The wealthy put their money to work in stocks, real estate, or businesses. Start with index funds or ETFs, even with small amounts. Use retirement accounts for tax advantages. Saving protects your present. Investing builds your future. The wealthy understand a fundamental truth. Time is the most valuable asset they possess, far more precious than money. While money can be earned, lost, and regained, time, once spent, is gone forever. That's why successful people are extremely intentional about how they use every hour of their day. Instead of trading their hours for a paycheck, they seek out opportunities that allow them to create leverage, systems, businesses, or investments that generate income around the clock, even while they sleep or enjoy life. This is how they multiply their wealth without sacrificing their freedom. They're not afraid to delegate. By outsourcing low-value or repetitive tasks to others, they free up their own time to focus on high-impact activities, like strategic planning, networking, or creative problem-solving that truly move the needle. You can start small by automating or outsourcing everyday chores, such as scheduling, emails, or errands. Even minor time savings add up, giving you more space to focus on what matters most. Use the extra time you gain to invest in yourself, learn new skills, build a side hustle, or research investments. These activities compound over time, opening doors to greater opportunities and financial growth. Remember, it's not about working longer hours, but about working smarter. The right tools and strategies can help you achieve more with less effort and stress. Ultimately, the goal is to build systems that reward you for your value and ideas, not just your time. By shifting your mindset and habits, you can start creating wealth and freedom, just like the world's most successful people. Financial education doesn't end with school. The wealthy are lifelong students of money. They read, listen, and learn constantly. Ignorance is expensive. Knowledge pays off. Read one finance book a month or listen to podcasts. Follow credible financial creators and stay updated. The more you learn, the more confident and capable you become. Invest in your financial literacy. It's the best investment you'll ever make. Relying on one job is risky. The wealthy build multiple income streams: side hustles, investments, rental income. If one dries up, others keep flowing. Start small. Freelance, sell a digital product, or invest for dividends. Reinvest extra income to grow your streams. Over time, these add up to real security and freedom. Don't depend on a single paycheck. The rich play the long game. They set clear, specific goals and stick with them for years. They don't chase quick wins or get-rich-quick schemes. Write down your long-term financial goals. Review your progress annually and adjust as needed. Patience and consistency beat short-term thinking every time. Let your wealth compound over decades, not days. Your network shapes your net worth. The wealthy surround themselves with ambitious, growth-minded people. They seek mentors, attend events, and join communities that challenge them. Be intentional about your circle. Find people who inspire and support your goals. Even online groups can be powerful. Your environment should pull you up, not hold you back. As income rises, most people spend more, but the wealthy don't. They keep lifestyle upgrades modest and funnel raises into savings and investments. Decide in advance to invest at least half of every raise. Automate new transfers when your income increases. Enjoy some rewards, but keep your core expenses stable. The bigger the gap between earning and spending, the faster you build wealth. Resist lifestyle creep. It's a superpower. The wealthy aren't reckless, but they don't fear risk. They manage it. They research, plan, and diversify before making moves. Avoiding all risk guarantees stagnation. Start small, invest a little, launch a side project, or learn a new skill. Education turns risk into opportunity. Don't gamble. Take informed, calculated risks. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. These 10 habits separate the rich from the poor, and the best part is, every single one of them is within your reach. You don't need a special background, a fancy degree, or a huge bank account to get started. What truly matters is your willingness to take the first step and your commitment to keep going, even when it feels challenging or unfamiliar. Don't get overwhelmed by the idea of changing your entire life overnight. Instead, focus on starting small. Just take that first step, no matter how tiny it seems. Remember, every journey begins with a single action, and progress is built one day at a time. Pick one habit from the list and put it into practice today. Maybe you automate a small transfer to your savings account, or you start tracking your spending for the first time. Even reading a single article or watching a video about personal finance counts as progress. Or perhaps you pick up a finance book and read a few pages, learning something new that could change your perspective. Every bit of knowledge you gain adds up over time, helping you make smarter decisions with your money. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's created one smart choice at a time, day after day. Each small action you take compounds, just like interest. And over time, those choices can transform your financial future. Remember, every wealthy person you admire started from zero. They faced obstacles, made mistakes, and learned along the way. What set them apart was their decision to start and their determination to keep moving forward. The only thing left is your action. No one else can take that first step for you. Your future is shaped by what you do today, not tomorrow. So choose your first habit now and begin building the financial life you truly deserve. Your journey to wealth starts with a single, intentional step. Make it today. If this helped you think differently about money, subscribe and let's build wealth together.